Hey, let me show you tips and tricks for the Redmi Buds 6 Play. So first of all, I want to start from the music control and the calls control. So in this device, when you open the Xiaomi earbuds application, you can find the gestures. And here you can customize all of these gestures. Take a look. You can turn them on, turn them off, or replace. And now, if you set it up, you can simply go into your music stream services, and for the single tap on the left and the right earbud, when you tap on it once, you can play and pause music. When you double tap, you can change the volume level. You can increase volume level. Take a look. When you triple tap, I mean on the second one, when you double tap, we will lower the volume level. Take a look. But when we are going to triple tap quickly, we will turn a next song. There we go. And for this left one, when you do this, we are going to turn previous song. And as you can see, that's quite simple. You can also click and hold on this to wake the voice assistant. Take a look. And there's also a hidden function right here with the calls control. So we can answer and reject calls. I mean, you can answer and reject calls. So if someone is calling you right now, you can double tap to answer on the left or the right one. But if you want to end this call, you have to also double tap on the left or the right. But if you want to reject call, you will have to quickly tap 3 times. And now let's go into this Xiaomi earbuds application, because we can find some other features right here. So we can find sound equalizer, we can enhance treble, bass, voice, or boost volume. So we can make them louder, for example. Also, when you go into the additional settings, we can find low latency mode, is also called the game mode, so it actually reduces the latency when you are watching video or listening to the music. You can also try to find your earphones by using sound signaling. You can search for the left, for the right, and for the both of them. And as you can see, this is like all tips and tricks for the Redmi Buds 6 Play. Thanks for watching.